Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by checking prerequisites. Make sure your phone has a working fingerprint sensor and that you already enrolled a fingerprint in system settings. Once done, open WhatsApp. You need the latest app build, so update if necessary. Now navigate to Settings, tap Account, then Privacy. This is where WhatsApp keeps security toggles. You're starting the process immediately. Do this now so the app can detect system biometrics and offer the fingerprint lock option without delays. Next, enable the lock within WhatsApp's privacy panel. Tap Fingerprint Lock, or on iOS, Screen Lock, and toggle it on. When prompted, place your registered finger on the sensor to authenticate. This ties WhatsApp to the system biometric key, which is why the app asks for a system fingerprint. Make sure to select an auto-lock timeout, immediately 1 minute or 30 minutes, so you control convenience versus security. Once you authenticate, WhatsApp confirms the lock is active and ready to protect chats. To finish, test the feature. Close WhatsApp and reopen it. You should see the fingerprint prompt. If it doesn't appear, make sure WhatsApp has permission to use biometrics and that your system fingerprint still works in other apps. If not, re-enroll a fingerprint or gently clean the sensor. Also, reboot the phone when settings don't apply immediately. That single troubleshooting tip helps most problems. Re-register fingerprints and restart. Then retry the lock to confirm everything functions correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.